welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesithembu. Yo akajabulanga Mseleku, wife number 5 uSamke Khwela is pregnant. She is expecting a baby. Akasavuyanga Mseleku, he's over the moon. So they went out on a game drive and went on a cute picnic together. And then okay, I got you something. I hope you like it. Ivule Mseleku, and it's that blue pregnancy test, and it says pregnant. Umseleka ibamba how it's a pregnant. Ati yes, that's how are you sure? What yes? Angasajabulanga. Ati I'm so happy you've showed ukuthi I'm still capable. Everyone that was doubting me, you've just given me a ticket. I can still get 10 more wives pregnant. Akasajabulanga Umseleka. Ati uSamke, she's happy that she came at the right time. And she's happy that he actually received the news really well, because she had thought that he's just going to be like, oh, okay, oh, yes, because he already has other kids. But the way he's so happy, it's just like, just warms her heart. Ajabule Umseleka, oh, wow, I am so happy. Guys, I feel like just shouting and telling everyone, guys, I'm pregnant. I got someone pregnant. He was so happy. It was such a cute setup, and he says that they must go and tell uMacele about the pregnancy. Some girls like, I don't understand why they fuss about going to tell uMacele, but anyway, there's no harm in doing it, so we're gonna do it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.